Hey, welcome to another unboxing at Gadgets 360, and today we have a brand new phone from Tecno called the Camon iClick, which is the company's first phone with an AI-powered front camera. So let's quickly unbox this phone and see what we get inside. Okay, so this is the Tecno Camon iClick. This is Tecno's first phone with AI baked into the camera. It's a mainstream phone with a market operating price of 13,999 rupees. Here we have a quick look at the box with some of the features. So let's unbox this and see. Okay, so this is the Tecno Camon iClick. Some of the highlight features are mentioned over here. There's a 20 megapixel front camera with dual flash, 16 megapixel back camera, 64 GB storage, 4 GB RAM, and a 6-inch display. This is how it looks at the back. Take a quick look at all of this. Just a bit. Okay, so here, first off, we have some warranty information. We have a user manual, all the languages that the phone supports. We have a screen protector, and there's a silicone case. Also, we have extra ear tips. This is a headset, in-ear headset. We have micro USB charging cable, and finally we have the power adapter. Okay, so this is the Tecno Camon iClick. I'll just boot this up. So in the front, as you can see, we have a 6-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 1440 by 720. Tecno boasts that it has 500 nits of brightness, which should make it pretty legible even in a direct sunlight. The phone is quite pretty light. It has a premium crafted metallic finish, although this does feel a bit like plastic rather than actually metal. There's a 2.5D curved glass in the front, and because of the taller 18:9 display, we have a screen to body ratio of 83.9%. The thickness of the phone is just 7.8 millimeters, which is good, and it's quite light too at just 150 grams. Let's take this off. So the phone is powered by a MediaTek Helio P23 SoC. This is an octa-core chipset. You get 4 GB of RAM and you get 64 GB of internal storage. There are no buttons at the bottom as everything is on screen. There is the volume button over here and the power button on the side, which has a nice little textured finish, so it's easy to make out. Above that we have a slot for the SIM cards, so we'll just pop that out. Okay, so you can use 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card as well, so you don't have to compromise, which is good. Down at the bottom we have a headphone socket, micro USB port, and a speaker grill. And at the back, the design is pretty simple. There's a fingerprint reader in the middle and the single camera setup, which is a 16 megapixel sensor and the dual LED flash. Now on the front, the phone has a 20 megapixel camera over here with a flash, and it's supposed to have some AI goodness baked in. So the Tecno Camon iClick is powered by Android 8.1 Oreo, but it's got this custom skin on it, which is called HiOS by Tecno. It looks pretty nice. There are colorful icons for the settings app, and the notification shade looks a bit different as well. But overall, it seems like a pretty lean UI. So some of the camera features that Tecno is boasting about includes AI beauty for the front camera. There's something called AI AST or auto scene detection, AI bokeh, and also a shooting mode called super pixel. So we'll get into all the details on how this works later on. Overall, the phone looks pretty nice. From the front, it does remind us a lot of the new Xiaomi's new Redmi Note series with the whole white fascia in the front and the soft gold back finish. The phone is priced at a market operating price of 13,999 rupees and will be available in two color trims, which will be Midnight Black and Champagne Gold. So this was a quick first look at the new Tecno Camon iClick with an AI powered front camera. So thanks for watching a quick unboxing of the Tecno Camon iClick, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.